me?
Yes, good. Go ahead,
Okay.
please.
So yeah, I'll lead the discussion. First of all, just like a review, well, we'll match the ratio of the some values with the usage or like what they do. If anyone of you wants to answer, please don't hesitate.
You need to turn on your microphone first. Then speak.
Can you hear me?
Oh, you can. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
But other students,
Okay.
if other students want to answer, then
Does anybody wants to answer?
Okay, I will answer. Well, length depth is used to structural design,
Yes.
and length beam will maybe related with maneuverability,
Okay.
and length draft is slamming damage during several water.
Yes.
Last one is beam draft. That is have to connect it to transverse of stability and wave making characteristic.
Yes. Okay. So as Sangyu said, yeah, the length graph is connected to the structural design. The length beam is about the leanness and how it's maneuverability, especially for the turning. And then the length draft is for the ball slamming damage, and the beam draft is the transverse stability. Next, among these figures, there are three figures here. Which one is which? The choices will be body plan, and then buttock plan, and then uh, two more are that the last one will be water plan.
Could you say the options one more time because my internet cut off a bit?
Okay. So the options are body plan, and then buttock lines, and then water plane lines.
I think the one on the bottom with the two views are the body plan because it says that, well, in the body plan is sometimes divided into separate views of the bow and the stern, and like they are sort of combined together. And yeah, they have some section lines with the curves of what the ship would be like.
Yes.
And the one on the top is kind of like a half breadth plan.
Yeah.
So like the other, it's like only the half showing the bow and the buttock lines. And yeah, so I think that would be the half breadth plan.
Yeah. And lastly, this one big image, what would that be? Yeah, the last one would be the buttock lines or the shear plan, as it is, if we see it from the side and shear it, it's if the shape is cut longitudinally, then it's the plan that it's the side that we can see. One last one. Before a question, which side of the bow? Which side is the bow and which side is the stern? It's either left and right, and yeah.
I think the left side would be the bow. And the right side is the stern of the ship.
Actually, it's the other way around. The left side with zero, starting with number 0 is the stern, or the aft, like the most back part of the boat, whereas the number 20 is the bow or the front end of the ship. And so the numbering system for body plan, it starts with 0, not 1, and it starts with the aft, ends with the bow. And lastly, a quick question in this modern era, what will be the will the 2D ship drawing will thrive? Because now we know that we have the computers to calculate and to draw. Will the 2-dimensional ship drawings, like such as the body plan, the half breadth plan, and the shear plan, will they still thrive, or will they like soon be gone?
Well, I think that it's true that we use more and more computers. We don't really draw on a paper anymore, but still, even after doing everything on a computer, we tend to do like to make the computer do some drawings for us, because I guess we are used to watch through a drawing. We'll learn to analyze them and to see what it represents. So I think we'll still keep them for a while.
Okay. Any more ideas?
My idea. Oh, can I speak first?
Yeah.
Thanks. The 2D drawings, it should be sustained because there are many drawings before the computer-aided designing program CAD. So even though we used the computer programs, but the basic ideas of the old designs should be sustained, I think. So yeah, like the Amelie said, the method or the tools can be changed, but I think the mechanism or the drawing rules will be thrive in the modern era.
Thank you. Duncan.
Yeah, I have a similar opinion with Anurag, but if tablet or VR technology are actively used in field in the future, I think it will be possible to use 3D view as tablet rather than paper in the field.
Thank you.
I also agree, but I like recently heard some like seminars or researches where like in industrial design, some laboratories are designing some like sketching methods where you can directly draw some perspective views on 3D. So if those like methods become more commercialized, it may be possible to make it much easier with reducing 2D ship drawings.
Thank you. Any other? If there are no other, then that's the end of the discussion. Thank you.